Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Purva Somerset House, which is located in Gundi, Chennai, a project by Purvankara Group. And today we'll be doing the project overview of the project, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, I am on the exact land parcel of the project where there are the towers. So this is the land parcel of the project, and if you want more details of the project about the sales office, yes, so the sales office is on the first floor of this tower itself, and as you can check out, the construction work is completed. So this is totally ready to move in property. You just need to pack your stuffs and move in. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry, because Housey is here which connect you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this project is constructed in total 1.92 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 12 floors, and in this project you will be getting exclusive 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK and 5 BHK Imperial Mansions premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located on 5-foot long road in Gundi, Chennai. So let me show you that this road is the 5-foot long road, and this road over this side will connect you towards Velachery, and on the other side, that is over this side road, will connect you towards Anasalai. Now about the further connectivity, so you can connect to Phoenix Market City Mall in just 1.5 kilometers, and you can connect to International Airport within 7 kilometers from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part. So this project provides you world-class amenities like of clubhouse, snooker, swimming pool, kids play area, landscape garden, barbecue, party hall and many more. Now about the super built up area, as mentioned, this project provides exclusive 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex, 4 BHK and 5 BHK Imperial Mansion premium residencies. 3 BHK starting from 1890 to 1968 square feet. 3 BHK duplex is 2629 to 2651 square feet. 4 BHK is 2475 square feet. 5 BHK Imperial Mansion is 3739 square feet to 3765 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process. So project booking windows are open now. We are inviting our clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the sample flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking, and even this property is ready to move in. You just need to pack your stuff and move in. So everyone, this was the project overview of Purva Somerset House, which is located in Gundi, Chennai, a project by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.